We are looking for a few good women. If you're interested in a fast-paced career with great job security, you won't want to miss this event. Join us for this 6-week virtual program where we highlight women in skilled trade programs, including agriculture, welding, heating, venting, and air conditioning, engineering technology, and automotive technology. Students, faculty, staff, and local employers will discuss training and employment opportunities. Find out how you can become a skilled woman in trades in half the time and cost you would spend at a 4-year university. Events start in May and continue through June. Find the full schedule and registration information at richland.edu/WIT.